my martini as we speak.
Okay, let's review. Now on the phone you mentioned something about a card store.
Now, girl, you're making this harder than it has to be. Now, you admit to talking with the boy. You admit to filling his head with these ideas.
No, sir. Young Jeremiah has his head on straight. He's a brakeman. He's off on a quest, on a hero's journey. You'll learn where the boy has gone. You cannot follow.
Hitler?
The last thing Jeremy said that he wanted for Christmas was to have his parents get along.
Mixing my martini as we speak.
Okay, let's review. Now on the phone you mentioned something about a card store.
Girl, you're making this harder than it has to be. Now, you admit to talking with the boy. You admit to filling his head with these ideas.
No, sir. Young Jeremiah has his head on straight. He's a brakeman. He's off on a quest, hero's journey. Where the boy has gone.
Hitler?
The last thing Jeremy said was for Christmas.
That's something you can't say.
Hey, first